Welcome, this is Learning Health and Fitness channel, and in this video we will discuss natural remedies for menstrual cramps that really work. Before we begin, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Are you currently experiencing menstrual cramps? Are they so bad that you can't even think straight, let alone function normally? If so, then you are not alone. Many women suffer from crippling menstrual cramps each and every month. However, before you go reaching for the ibuprofen or Midol, why not try a few natural remedies instead? Natural remedies for menstrual cramps have been used for centuries and are often just as effective as over-the-counter medications. So if you're looking to avoid synthetic chemicals and want to try something a bit more holistic, keep watching for some of the best natural remedies for menstrual cramps. Menstruation is a natural, albeit sometimes painful, part of a woman's life. For those who suffer from menstrual cramps, the week or so before and during the period can be tough. Although cramps are not usually indicative of a bigger problem, they can be severe enough to interfere with regular activities. Menstrual cramps are caused by the contraction of the muscles in the uterus and are felt as pain in the lower stomach that can radiate to the back and thighs. The good news is that for most women, cramps will lessen after the first few days of their period. Some women experience cramps before their period starts as well. There are several things that may make a woman more likely to suffer from menstrual cramps, such as early onset puberty, family history, heavier menstrual flow, and unhealthy lifestyle choices like smoking, drinking, and lack of exercise. Now, if you suffer from severe menstrual cramps, there are a number of things you can do to ease the pain, including over-the-counter medication, heating pads, and relaxation techniques. If you find that your cramps are interfering with your life, consult with your doctor to see if there might be a bigger issue at play. So, how are you going to lessen the pain from cramps? In this video, I will be sharing with you some natural remedies that could make your life better. The first thing we're going to talk about is heat. Menstrual cramps are an uncomfortable reality for many women, but there are some simple things that can be done to ease the pain. One of the most effective methods is to apply heat to the lower stomach. The heat helps to relax the muscles in the uterus, which can become tight and painful during menstruation. There are several ways to do this, including using a heating pad or a hot water bottle. Alternatively, a towel can be soaked in hot water and then microwaved for about a minute before being applied to the stomach. Hot showers can also provide relief from menstrual cramps. By following these simple tips, women can help make their monthly period a little more bearable. Next is ginger. Ginger has been shown to be effective in reducing menstrual cramps as well as relieving the tiredness and nausea that often accompany the premenstrual syndrome. Best of all, ginger is easily found in the kitchen. Just add it to your food or make a cup of ginger tea. For maximum relief, drink 3 cups of tea per day during your menstrual cycle. With regular use, you'll be enjoying symptom-free periods in no time. Next, we have basil. Basil is an excellent natural remedy for menstrual cramps. The acid in basil acts as a pain reliever, and the herb can be consumed in a variety of ways. For example, adding 1 tablespoon of basil leaves to 1 cup of boiling water can create a tea that lessens pain when drunk every few hours. Alternatively, crushing fresh basil leaves to extract the juice and then adding 2 teaspoons of this juice to 1 cup of warm water creates another type of tea that can be consumed 3 times a day when experiencing discomfort. Next is cinnamon. Cinnamon has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and anti-spasmodic properties which can help to relax muscles and ease the pain. In addition, cinnamon can help to reduce blood clotting and swelling. To make cinnamon tea, mix 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder in a cup of hot water. Let the tea sit for 5 minutes and then add honey and drink it. To stop cramps, drink 2 to 3 cups of cinnamon tea 1 or 2 days before your period starts. You can also try a simple home remedy of mixing a cup of warm water with a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 tablespoon of honey. Drink it 3 times on the first day of your period to stop the pain. If you're enjoying this video, I have another suggestion for you, but before that, give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comment section. Next is the fennel. Fennel has a number of properties that make it effective at treating cramps. It is antispasmodic, meaning that it can help to relax the muscles in the uterus. It is also phytoestrogenic, meaning that it can help to reduce inflammation. Finally, it is also an anti-inflammatory agent. To use fennel for cramps, simply add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds to a cup of hot water and then let the mixture boil on a low flame for 5 minutes. Then take it off the flame and mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon of honey and mix well before drinking. Drink this tea 2 times a day, 3 days before your cycle starts, and continue drinking it for as long as you need to ease the pain. The tea should also be hot when consumed in order to be most effective. The next one we have is the blackstrap molasses. Blackstrap molasses is a type of sugar syrup that is made from cane or beet juice that has been boiled down several times. It is high in vitamins and minerals including iron, calcium, magnesium, and vitamin B6. Blackstrap molasses has been traditionally used to treat a variety of health conditions. One of its most well-known uses is for relieving cramps during menstruation. This home remedy is thought to work because the nutrients in blackstrap molasses help to relax the muscles of the uterine walls. This can help to reduce cramping and pain. To try this remedy, simply add 1 to 2 teaspoons of blackstrap molasses to a cup of warm milk. Drink it as soon as you start having cramps and continue until they stop. You may need to drink it several times per day for maximum relief. Lastly, chamomile tea. Chamomile contains compounds that relax smooth muscle tissue, making it an effective treatment for menstrual cramps. To prepare chamomile tea for cramps, simply boil a cup of water and pour it over a tea bag. Cover the cup and let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Squeeze out the tea bag and add lemon juice or honey to taste. Drink at least 2 cups of this tea every day during the week before your period. You may start to notice a decrease in cramping within a few days. Besides those cures, yoga and other forms of exercise can help to relax the muscles and ease tension. In addition, drinking plenty of water helps to keep the body hydrated and can also help to reduce cramping. Finally, if you are feeling particularly uncomfortable, it is always a good idea to check in with your doctor to see if there are any other options that may be more effective for you. With a little bit of trial and error, you should be able to find a method that works best for you and helps to make those pesky cramps a thing of the past. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new and are into health and fitness videos, don't forget to click on the bell icon so you'd be notified when our new videos are released.